Stacy.
The other round. Okay, one more round. Sige, one more round. Okay, that's okay. Okay, once you have to do like 3 times before you pass it. It's okay, we have to wait. This is one. Three. Ow! Oh, gotcha. You didn't like it then. Now that's alright. Almost there. Thank you so much, Donkey. Alright. Clap hands for Donkey. Thank you. Alright. Wow. Alright.
Hi, Tap.
Hi, Nana. Pwede na? Hi, Irene.
I think you're making the idea.
Imon. Nag-feeling rich mami diri og si daddy.
Okay.
Nag-feeling rich ni sa dollar. Ya birthday mo po na tayo birthday po sa apo ni Insempurious.
You and Andre will
anak pa mo ni Juan Moniga o si Christine.
Scissors, paper, rock.
Alright,
good. You do the scissors, paper, rock. If you win, you win the prize. But if you win,
si karong gabi eh.
timing the prize.
Jelly mo na picture na.
Okay, scissors,
Ako ni padaon niya. Pakita na nila niya.
Scissors, paper, rock. Okay, good.
Pakita na
Alright,
nila.
so you won. Okay, this time.
Nalingaw
Okay,
na.
one more round. No more practice. Okay, if John wins,
Stacy.
okay. Alright, good. Okay, so John, you ready? Thank you. And Andre, ready? Here we go. Scissors, paper, rock. Oh! Alright, Chloe wins! Come on, Chloe! Thank you for helping, John. Thank you so much. Andre, thank you, man. Thank you. Alright, thank you so much.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wala nang pugong.
Ah, okay. Oh. Yes. Mura, mommy.
Good start. Alright, you know what, kids? Alright, let's try this one, alright? Just say happy birthday. Yes. Say happy birthday to Travis. Alright? That's how we play the game. Say the longest happy birthday and your prize from our birthday boy. Alright? Now, who's brave enough to go first? Anyone wants to try? Just say, happy birthday! Yes, please.
Stacy. Say hi.
Yes, let's hear it from Andre. Is it alright? Come on.
Swim, be swim. Stacy, swim.
I just heard your voice a while ago. Oh,
Mauwa ko. Pagbat.
okay. So, John? Here's a good thing. Who's the first kid? First guy who was out in their first game.
Kanya lang, ingit eh. Mauwa pas mamita.
Is it alright, Luke? Just say happy birthday. Alright.
Yung manang friend? What's her name?
Keisha first.
Oh.
Alright. Okay. So, yes. Oh, hello, Keisha. Face your friend, sweetie. Alright. Now, yes, Keisha will say happy birthday to our friend Luke. Yes. She'll say the longest happy birthday, right? Okay, she's trying to say the longest happy birthday. Now, before Keisha will say happy birthday, alright? And you all give a hand for Keisha, everyone. Come on, clap hands for